Welcome aboard Flight 39 where all my is we hope to make it.
Excuse me?
On this 2-hour flight, kick back and relax because our captain just came back from his 2-year long suspension.
Suspension?
But no worries. Calm down. He just graduated from flight community college.
Hi everyone, it's me, your pilot for the evening. My name is Plane Crash, which is Japanese for plane crash. We will be taking off in a few right when I can find the.
You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes. You would not believe your eyes.
Sorry, I'm so sorry, that is my playlist. It's my birthday next week, I'm sorry.
Get me off this plane.
No.
Get me off this...
Alright, any questions?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Why am I the only one on this plane?
That's a great question, baby.
Why am I the only...
You would not believe your eyes. You would not